Hi guys, welcome to my channel, the Canada Immigration Compass, where you receive all the information you need in order to migrate to Canada and to receive your permanent residency. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share my video, and to hit the notification button, the bell sign, so that you can get notified as soon as I upload new video. I have also provided my contact information in the description below, my phone, my WhatsApp number, my email address, and my Facebook page. Now today, friends, I want to share with you about the process of applying for a Canadian visitor visa, or also the requirements in order to get a Canada visitor visa. Now, it depends on which country you're applying from. The requirements vary, and the processing time also vary based on where you're applying from. Now, not all countries, not all nationalities require you to get a visitor visa in order to visit Canada. For example, individuals from Bahamas are not required to get a visitor visa in order to come to Canada once the purpose is for study, tourists, or for business. You're not required to get a visitor. You're not required to get a visa. If you're from, for example, Bahamas, as I suggest, you only required a ETA. Now, a ETA is stand for Electronic Travel Authorization, and the requirement for to get this is just to have a valid passport. Your passport needs to have at least 6 months time in it for when you reach in Canada, because you cannot, as a visitor on a visa to Canada or visiting Canada, you can't stay more than 6 months on a ETA or on a visitor visa. So you just need your a valid passport, and you need to have the means of paying for the fee, like credit card or whatever the options that are given to you, and also to have an email address. So the requirements are pretty minimal. You don't need a police record, you don't need medical. And because of these things also, the processing time is very short. Now, if you're from another country or countries that require to get visa to enter Canada, then the requirements are different. The processing time also varies, and the the process will be a bit different. So, if you're from applying from another country, that a country that requires the visa, then of course you're going to need a valid passport that have at least 6 months in it, and also you're going to, depends, as I said, it depends on the country you're applying for. You may need police record or security clearance, as they may refer to it, and the immigration may even ask you for medical. It depends. This is not a must. It depends on which country you're applying from, and it's also, with the process, it's all about convincing immigration on certain areas. For one, convincing them that you have ties in your home country, that you're going to return to your country. So, like, they're looking for, like, you having a job, for example, or you have financial asset or family in your home country. So these are ties that they're looking for. So you need to provide like documents, for example, like your a job letter, and they want to know that you have to prove to them that you're able to support yourself financially when you get to Canada. So you'll be able to find housing on your own, you'll be able to find food support, and whatever other means of support you'd need, you'd be able to provide that. So they need you to prove that before they grant you the visa. So you would have to provide like bank statement and so forth, and whatever other asset you may have that you can present. Now, the reason for this is that Canada don't want individuals to come to Canada and then they end up become the responsibility of the Canadian government, where they will have to take their citizens' tax money and support you to put you up or to provide food for you because you end up in the country and you are in some financial difficulty. So in order for that not to happen, they want you to prove to them that you have sufficient fund to support yourself for the time you're going to be in the country for, or at least the six up to maximum the 6 months. They may also require for you to receive an invitation letter from someone who have a permanent residency status in Canada or a citizenship. Now, if you get an invitation letter from someone in Canada who have citizenship or permanent residency status, then you don't need to prove that you have funds or sufficient funds to support yourself, because what that letter will be saying is that that person who sent you the invitation letter will support you financially during your time in Canada. So that is like the best way to deal with that situation. And also they're considering about if when you get to Canada, if you're going to leave. So these are the things that they take into consideration, and these are the requirements, the documents that they will be looking that you would need to have in order to apply for a Canadian visa. Now, if you need more information or clarity, or you need assistance, as I mentioned in the start of my video, I have provided my contact information in the description below, my WhatsApp number, my email address, my Facebook page. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share my video. All right, thanks.